guys, my name is Tina and today is going to be a very interesting video. I'm going to try DIY brow tattoo basically, and I know it's pretty weird to do that, pero I figured why not? My best friend is a makeup artist in Kuwait and she told me that people there henna their brows all the time, and I figured OMG, that's a really smart way of doing your brows, because you know that Maybelline came out with like this brow tattoo that you peel off, also Lohasel PH, Tony Moly. So I figured that's true, why don't we just henna our tattoo? So she told me that there's this brand that she's been using. I actually have bought them already. It's called Bigen, I don't know, it's this one. I got this in Watson's and she told me it's only 65 pesos. So if this ends up being successful, imagine you're gonna have brows for days for only 65 pesos. That is much cheaper than a pencil that you can buy in Watson's, and this will last you a few days. So I figured, you know what, let's do this experiment together. So I have not tried this at all. This will be my first time doing it, and I pray that I will be successful because I don't want to have awful brows for the next few days. Okay, so I have 3 colors that I got. Last time I checked, these 3 are the more usable colors because this is actually for the hair. Like, you know, it's a hair dye. It just happens so that since it's henna, it sticks also to the skin. So that's why it will work. The one that my friend was using is the dark brown. The darkest color that I have is brown black. And the lightest color that I have is chestnut brown. Okay, so from what I understood, you basically just mix it with water and then you just apply it on your brows. And then from what I remember, my best friend said, oh hi Sheena, by the way, I love you, miss you, only to leave it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. So tingnan muna natin. Meron akong 3 container right now that I got from like yung mga take out na mga pagkain. So buti na lang na save siya ng mga helper namin. So this is where I'm gonna try to mix it. I don't know how much water I should be using, but I do remember her saying na dapat pakonti lang. So wait, before I start, I'll show you my like materials. So first, yun nga, I have the lalagyan. Plus I have the dye. I have some water. And I also have like 3 different brushes. So basically, I have the liner one, which is this one, para sa mga fine like hair strokes, and then this one maybe for shading or for a thicker stroke, and then this one, I don't know, I just felt like maybe that would work as well. So those are my 3 options. So oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I think try muna natin sa like dito ko para hindi naman agad-agad na brows agad, diba? So like kalma muna tayo. Okay, I think I wanna put them all talalagyan and then swatch it on my hand just to see kung ano yung totoo nilang shade. Diba? Tama naman yun, diba? That's very smart. Ang maganda pa dito, sobrang cheap niya na. Ang dami pa niyang laman. Ay, meron pala siya kasamang lalagyan. Okay, never mind. So it's this tiny. It's really, really small. Should I read the instructions first? Probably should. But it's in Chinese. Where's the English? Ay, may Tagalog! Okay. Bago gamitin ang produkto, basahin mabuti ang tina ng buhok. Oh, tina. Ang tina ng buhok ay maaaring oh my god, English na lang. Here you go. Hair color products can cause an allergic reaction, which in certain rare cases may be severe. Oh my god. Skin allergy test must be conducted 48 hours before each time you color your hair. Okay, now this is for the anit. So, but the face is more sensitive. How to use before application. Complete the skin allergy test. Blah 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 blah. Pour Bigen powder into a non-metallic bowl and room temperature plain water. Is this room temperature? Oh no, it's a little cold. Do not use hot or boiling water in the proportions specified on the right. Mix well with a brush to make a homogeneous paste. Quickly apply the moisture on dry hair. Comb through the hair to ensure every hair strand is thoroughly covered. No, but this is for the hair. Wait 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna wing it. Oh my god. Okay, so I have my water now. Kumuha na rin ako ng mga pang-brush ng brows. Ayan, okay. Wait, I should be wearing gloves. I have gloves. I always dye my hair. That's why I have like a box full of gloves. So siguro I'll just use 1. Should I use 1 or 2? You know what? I'll just be safe. Siguro I'll use... Okay, that much. Really tiny. And then... Dude, so konting amount lang. Lalagyan ko na siya ng konting water. Ang dami. And then I'll just use the back of my, mix it together to make it look like a paste. So this is chestnut brown. Oh, it's getting darker. Okay. So I'm just going to mix dark brown and brown black just to see my option. BRB. Okay, so I've mixed them all. This is chestnut brown. Medyo mapula siya. This is dark brown. Medyo normal brown siya, so which is really nice. And then this is brown black. Medyo ashy naman siya, which is also really nice. Okay, so I've swatched it on my skin right there, which is weird because I'm gonna have the 3 lines for a couple of days and it's only been siguro mga 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna leave it on muna for like 10 minutes and see how it looks like, and then I'm gonna go do it with my brows. Sana it'll still work the same way with my brows kahit matagal na siyang on air kasi sabi quickly apply. If not, I'll just make a new batch. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and I'm going to remove, yep, it's there. I'm just going to have this cotton pad, put a little bit of water, okay, and then just wipe it off. Okay, okay. This is what it looks like. So the chestnut brown, medyo pwede siya. The dark brown, definitely mas pwede siya. But the brown black is a big no-no because it looks green. So I think I'm okay naman with this. Let's try it on my brows na. So guys, samahan niyo ako in my journey of katangahan or genius moment. I don't know, depending on the outcome. Let's try to do some shading. Okay, so it's gotten like a little bit harder to get. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to apply this with hair-like strokes. Not anymore, I think, because it's gotten buo-buo. I'll just do whatever. Okay na to. Okay, so I'll brush my hair. So my hair's pretty thick right now from normal and I've been growing it. I think I'll just use a angle brush because I feel like that's gonna be a lot better. So I'll start siguro muna with the light part. So this is chestnut brown. That's okay. Oh my god, what if it's not gradient? Ayan. Okay. So now let's do the other half. Dapat pag gagawin mo to, marunong ka ng basic eyebrow shape. Okay, now parang painting lang. Clean your brush and go to the darker shade. This is now dark brown. And let's now go on to the tail. Okay, so definitely no hair-like strokes. Okay, so that is it. Let's leave it on for 15 minutes and let's see what it looks like after. Okay naman, no? Okay. Okay, so it's I look so angry. It's only been like 13 minutes, but I can't wait to remove it already kasi natatakot ako. It might be this dark when I remove it. Okay, so I'm just going to remove it now. Time for the reveal. Oh, it's really nice. Oh, it's so subtle. Okay. Ah, parang lang nakakilay. Ay, bongga. I love it. It's nice. Should I do a freckle video? I feel like this would work. So this is it up close. Okay, so I'm happy it went successfully and I do recommend you guys trying this. And I'm going to try next time naman some pro freckles because I feel like that would work. During summertime, meron ka mga freckles. I feel like that would be so fun. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you want me to try in the next one. By the way, the Kikay of the day is Nikiel03 from Instagram. If you want to be the Kikay of the day for the next video, just comment down below. #Kikay of the day, or on my Instagram, just comment on any of my photos, #Kikay of the day, and you'll be chosen to be the next one. It's that easy. So that is it. I have nothing else to say. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and pass this on to people who you know would be interested in dyeing their own brows at home. It'll save you a lot of money. And with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye. God bless. Mwah.